Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about two websites that you can use to make money like this every single day. All you have to do is do a certain task. Throw boxes around the task, or annotate, or give a keyword for the object, or identify their object. So when you're going to do this task, and you can earn free PayPal money. I think this website works worldwide, and if you watch the video until the end, I will review what is this website and how you can join and how you can make money, guys. And if you watch the video until the end, that you can win £10 PayPal money. All you have to do is subscribe, like, share this video, and leave a comment. I like this video. When this video reaches 100 likes, I will do the £10 giveaway, guys. And just jump into the video. So the website number one is here, that you can see make money doing tasks. If you come down to the bottom here, and they tell you how you can do that. First, sign up and learn certain tasks. They have a different task. What you have to do first, you have to certify that you have to do the task what they give you when you register for account, and you get experience about it. Then you start to do the task that's gonna pay you free PayPal money, that you can see, learn and work, and you get paid, earn money and get paid weekly with PayPal. I think they pay on every Thursday because I'm gonna show the proof right here. And if you come down to the bottom here, these are the tasks that they are carry out in this website. First, images. Throw bounding boxes around various objects and help to determine what and where. So you need to identify the picture. You're going to throw boxes around those pictures and identify where the pictures are. They're going to ask you for different pictures. Now you can see 3D. Annotate 3D data from LiDAR and a radar sensor to help self-driving cars move forward. So you can annotate those 3D data here. They will teach you that how you're going to do that. That's why they said learn, then work, and you get paid. And after that, you can see OCR transcription. Basically, they give you a certain transcription. You have to transcribe. You can see transcribe important content from images of document and menu. Also, they give you a audio file that you can transcribe into Word, guys. So basically, if they talk e, so these sentences you have to remove that, and you're gonna put all the word they are talking about in the audio file. And you can see categorize, basically identify the keyword that describe what is image or text about it. Comparison. Throw bounding boxes around the various objects to help you determine what is and where. And you can see data collection. Search the web and collect the data about anything, guys. So these are the 6 different tasks. You can do it and earn money, free PayPal money. This is the best way to make money from home, guys, without investing any money. So if you come to the bottom here, these are the question FAQ people are asking about it. So how do I join? Basically, you can join with Facebook or Google account. If you have one of them, you can join with them. And second, how do I do the task? So once you create an account, you are able to start taking courses and remote task training centers. After you complete those courses, you enable to work in a project. You can start doing and task and earn money. So what kind of task I enabled on? The variety of tasks such as transcribing text and audio, which I talked about earlier, labeling images, labeling LiDAR data. We suggest to start with a simple task. Then we highly encourage LiDAR and segment annotation task. So when you are joined with them, you can do the basic stuff like transcribing audio file, or you can say labeling images. Then you can move on to, when you get enough experience, you can move on the big task, that LiDAR annotation, those things, and those things going to pay you a little bit higher amount. Again, they say you different tasks pay you different amount. I think you get paid on Thursday. You can see how do I earn. You are paid per accepted task. The amount paid will be vary depending on the task complexity. Yes, the simple task pay you less money, and the complicated task pay you more money. And we will pay you via PayPal on Thursday. So you have to put the correct PayPal address on that, guys. So you get paid per week by doing these tasks. You can make $100, $200. You can go to YouTube and search for this website review. Also, people are doing that. So this website is called remotetask.com. Again, remotetask.com, and you can go here and create a free account with them and do those tasks here. So first, certify those tasks, and you work and you get paid every single week, guys. So this is the website number one. You can do certain tasks or throw boxes on an object, and you can earn money. The second website is lots of people are talking about, is called spare5. So the URL is app.spare5.com. I put the link in the description. Go and check it out. Earn money in your spare time with our free web and mobile app that you can come down here. This website again similar to the remote task that you can see. Assess language. Tell us about a tone or meaning, content or attitude of the conversation, or simply content of the audio file. Basically, they can ask you what this picture for. You have to describe that, or you can transcribe on an audio file. Again, annotate image. Basically, you can draw boxes, shapes, and you can annotate image. So in this image, you can see this is a cloud, this is a mountain, this is a lake, this is a water, and this is a road, something like that. Then you can do isolate element. Find an edge, an object to help the computer to see what you see. So that is for AI. So you can isolate elements. So in the picture, you can isolate this is a shirt, this is a baby boy, or something like that. You can isolate that image for the computer task, guys. Again, the final one, provide keywords. So for this picture, you're going to provide keywords. You're going to provide keywords because these keywords are very important for a certain website. So for example, if then a website that give you a picture, so they are selling pictures, so they need a specific keyword. So when you go there and the search bar, you type the keyword, that website going to bring you a specific image for you. So in order to do that, they need to categorize that image. That's why this the website giving the task on here to you to do this. So for example, in this image, you can say type a woman, a cloud, a dog, a mountain, hoodies, horse, a watch, or you can say woman with the dog. So whenever people search woman with the dog, they enable to identify the specific pictures. That's why they are giving this task on this website to provide a keyword for those pictures. You're gonna do that for them, guys, and again, you do that and you get paid through PayPal. You can see this website is working with these big companies are here, and you do the task and you earn PayPal money. It's basic, simple, guys. These two websites, I find out you can do it. I think it's worldwide, but if you're able to join and do the task, that you can make money from home without any investment, which is very easy and doesn't require any skill or technical knowledge. All you have to do is internet and the computer and go through the task, become certified and work, and you get paid in PayPal, guys, every single week. I hope you understand this video. Again, if you want to win £10 PayPal money, you know the drill. Subscribe, like and share, and leave a comment. I like this video, and when this video get 100 likes, I will do the giveaway, £10 giveaway. Also, giveaway number 7 will be announcing soon. So all you have to do is subscribe and press the bell icon, so you will get notified when I did that, guys. Until that, have a good day. See you next video.